Okay everybody, this is part whatever because as I said I'm kind of doing this backwards to try and help others. This is the issue with Jeep TJ won't start and you don't even hear a click in the starter. So as I said in the last video, I found the hot wire here that goes into the ignition, and there's the pink and orange that I tied into. So I just temporarily tied my wires in it, and I bought one of these starter switches that I'm going to mount right in here in this block in a few minutes, if this works. So this is actually my first attempt, and just remember, it's only a normally open closed switch, so it doesn't matter which color you put on the hot and which color you put on the pink and orange. As soon as you press the button, it's going to close the contact, and it's going to hopefully start the vehicle. So let's give it a go. So I turn my key on, and here's what would have normally happened. Nothing, you can see. Turning my key, and I get nothing at the starter, right? So just leave it in the on position, press your button, hey! And we got a Jeep that runs. So that's going to fix your problem because there's a little plastic piece in the ignition that breaks, and then you don't get power to this pink and orange, and all you need is power to that pink and orange, and that'll fix your problem rather than buying a very expensive piece that goes in the steering column right in here. All right? See